Today guys, I show you how to fix YouTube streaming buffering issues. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do the same way is on your phone. Move on this gear on YouTube video and you will see here like me quality. Open it. In some cases, if you have this high quality, maybe you will see buffering videos. But go back, make sure you choose here auto quality. This is for your best for video to load more, like this. If you have still issue after that, make sure you pause video like me and wait this to load. And you can now watch video without any issues. I show you next step. Clear your cache on your browser, the same way is on your phone. Press Ctrl H and you will see here delete browsing data. Open it and check here cookies and other sites and go here delete. After finishing that, now try to play your YouTube video. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix YouTube streaming buffering issues. If you find this guide useful, please like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.